Good afternoon, children. This is Hanuman sir here. In the previous class, we all studied about the arithmetic progression and types of arithmetic progression, sequence, and the different types of sequence. Right? So, what do you mean by arithmetic progression? Yes, arithmetic progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Yes? Okay. In this class, we are going to discuss about the first term and common difference. How to find the first term and how to find the common difference for the following sequence. Okay, see, first read the question. First of all, read the question. For the following arithmetic progression, write the first term and common difference. Right? I will repeat the question once again. For the following arithmetic progression, write the first term and the common difference. Right? Here we have first sequence is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Right? How many terms are there here? There are 4 terms. Right? Check whether it is finite or infinite. Yes, it is finite. What do you mean by finite sequence? A sequence contains finite number of terms. Right? So finite, it is an finite sequence. It has a endpoint that is minus 3. So we need to find the first term of the given sequence. Here, see, the first term is called A1, second term is A2, A3, and then fourth term is A4. Fourth term is A4, right? So the first term of an arithmetic progression, given arithmetic progression, is plus 3, right? So that is the first term of a given sequence is denoted as A1, that is plus 3. And common difference. What do you mean by common difference? Yes, common difference, the difference between any two consecutive terms. Right? So here terms, the difference between any two consecutive terms. Right? So here it can be denoted as a small t. So we have a formula for common difference, that is A2 minus A1. Therefore D equals, we can substitute A2 is 1 and minus A1 is 3. Hence we get the common difference of the given two consecutive terms is minus 2. Okay, again I am going to check other two consecutive terms, other given two consecutive terms, that is, see, common difference is equals to, it can be denoted as a small d, other two common, the difference between other two consecutive terms, that is A3 minus A2. Therefore we can substitute the value. A3 is minus 1 minus of A1, A2 is plus 1. Hence we get the common difference. By adding these two, we get minus 1, we get minus 2. So it is also a same common difference. Again I am going to check another two consecutive terms, that is minus 1 and minus 3, A4 and A3. Okay, so common difference D is equals to A4 minus A3. Here we can substitute A4 has minus 3 and A3 is minus 1. So minus 3 by simplification, minus into minus plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1. We can subtract 1 from minus 3. We get minus 2. Right? See, observe the following sum. Every two consecutive terms, the difference between any two consecutive terms is minus 2. Here minus 2, minus 2. Therefore, it has a same common difference. Same common difference. Is it clear to all children? I hope you. Okay. Then come to the second problem. See the second sequence. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Right? Here we have A1. The first term. We need to find the first term. That is A1 is equals to minus 5. Minus 5. This is A1. A2 is minus 3. And A3 is 7. And then A4 is equals to 7. So the first term A1 is equals to minus 5. So we need to find the common difference. The common difference. It can be denoted as a D. Right? So we know the formula. D is equals to A2 minus A1. The difference between given two consecutive integers. That is D equals. Here we have A2 is minus 1 minus A1 is minus 5. Right? So D is equals to minus 1 minus into minus plus 5. After subtraction we get plus 4. We can subtract minus 1 from plus 5. We get D is equals to plus 4. Again, I am going to find the common difference between next two consecutive terms, that is A3 minus A2. So D is equals to, we can substitute A3 as 3 minus of A2 is minus 3 minus 1. Hence we get D equals 3 minus into minus plus 1. D is equals to plus 3 plus 1. We get D is equals to 4. Similarly, again we are going to find the common difference between A4 minus A3. So common difference D is equals to A4 is 7 minus A3 is 3. After subtraction we get 7 minus 3, 4. D is equals to, again it is a plus 4. Therefore it has a same common difference. Is it understand to all? Okay children, next I am going to give third sequence, that is 4, 10, 16 and 22. Here we have first term A1 is equals to 4. Okay, the A1 is 4, A2 is plus 10, A3 is 16 and A4 is 24. So we need to find common difference between first two consecutive terms, that is D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 10 minus 4. We get to plus 6. Hence we get the common difference D is equals to plus 6. I am going to check second two consecutive terms. So that is D is equals to A3 minus A2. So D is equals to 16 minus 10. We get the common difference 16 minus 10. D is equals to plus 6. Again I am going to check another two consecutive terms, that is a4 minus a3. So d is equals to 22 minus 16. D is equals to, we can subtract 16 from 22. Again we get 22 minus 62. We get 6 plus 6. Therefore it has a common difference. It has a common difference. I hope you understand all in this session. So we discussed about how to find the first term and common difference between the given sequences. Okay, I will continue in the next class. Thank you one and all children. Have a nice day.